Good morning, class 7. We were reading chapter 7 in science, and the name of this chapter is Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals. In the previous class, we have seen about weather, activity 7.1, and now in this class we are going to read activity 7.2. To perform this activity, we have an objective to find out about weather condition in a year. So first, for this activity you have to collect the average weather report for every month of a year and fill the data in table 7.2. You can collect the weather reports of the places where you live. Do you find any change in the weather condition through the year? If you are living in northern part of India, do you observe a particular dip in maximum and minimum temperature of the day during December and January? Or is humidity much higher in the months of June and July? Or a few months have an exceptionally high rainfall? If we live the northern part of India, at this place we find that December and January are very cold months. Light rain occurs during June and it rains a lot in July and August, and there is a summer season from March to June. Here you all can see table 7.2. You have to fill in this table average temperature, maximum and minimum, relative humidity, average rainfall from January to December. Now it is clear that no two parameters of atmosphere conditions remain the same during two consecutive days, but during a year a definite change in weather condition is observed. It is for this reason that we say or hear people say that the weather is good today, or it was warm last week, or it was quite cold last month. So you have understood in this paragraph that it is clear that for two consecutive days the weather is not the same. You can check this by using maximum minimum thermometer. But if you see the temperature of the year, then you can easily notice how the weather changes from first month to the last month. You must have heard a lot of people saying today's weather was good. The weather last week was somewhat warm. The weather 1 month ago was somewhat cold. Now you can read definition of weather. The day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a certain place with respect to temperature, wind, speed, humidity, rainfall, sunshine or clouds, etc. is called the weather at that place. The temperature, wind, speed, humidity, rainfall, etc. are known as elements of weather. Next paragraph. The amount of sunshine received at a place depends on the duration of the day, time of sunrise and sunset, and the season. During summer, the daytime is longer than it is in winter. The weather is hot when the sun shines brightly and cool when there is less sunlight or the sun is covered with clouds. The weather condition, you can understand this thing that the weather condition of any place depends on the sunshine falling in that place. If there is strong sunshine at some places, it is believed that there is warm weather, and if the sun shine less in some place, or if the sun is covered in clouds, then the weather in that place is cold. So student, that's all for the today. In the next class we will see some other important things about the weather. Thank you class.